In today's video, I'll walk you through how to import data from Excel into QuickBooks Online. This is one of the most practical skills you can learn for managing business finances, especially when you're dealing with large amounts of data. Let's get started. First, make sure you're signed in to your QuickBooks Online account. If you're not logged in yet, head to the QuickBooks homepage and click Sign In. When prompted, choose QuickBooks Online, then enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll be directed to the main QuickBooks dashboard, where all your financial tools and options are located. Now let's begin the import process. From the dashboard, click on the settings gear icon in the upper right corner. Under the Tools section, select Import Data. This is the main area where you can upload lists like customers, vendors, accounts, or even journal entries directly from Excel. Next, choose what type of data you want to import. For example, customers, suppliers, products and services, or chart of accounts. Depending on what you select, QuickBooks will guide you through a specific import process. Once you've chosen your data type, click Browse to upload your Excel file. QuickBooks Online accepts files in .csv or .xls/XLSX format, but the CSV format usually works best for a smooth import. Navigate through your computer folders, locate your prepared Excel file, and upload it. Before importing, QuickBooks will display a mapping screen. Here, you'll need to match your Excel column headers with the corresponding QuickBooks fields, such as name, email, transaction date, or amount. This step ensures your data is aligned correctly and appears in the right place inside QuickBooks. Take a moment to double-check everything on the preview screen. If something doesn't look right, you can go back and adjust your mapping or fix your Excel file before continuing. When everything looks good, click Next. Then import to finalize the process. QuickBooks will confirm that your import is successful and you'll be able to see your Excel data instantly added to your selected section, whether that's your customer list, product catalog, or chart of accounts. And that's it. You've successfully imported your data from Excel into QuickBooks Online. This method saves you from manually entering large amounts of information and helps keep your financial records organized and accurate. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides to make your QuickBooks experience easier. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.